Did you know that artificial intelligence is potentially set to displace around 300 million jobs? The transition has already started, and these 10 jobs we will be discussing today are next to be displaced. If you are planning your career at this moment, it is important for you to watch this video till the end in order to make a well-informed decision. Before we begin, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel as we strive to bring the latest and greatest from the world of AI. With that said, let's get straight to saving your future. Number 10. Customer service. Customer service is a profession that is currently hanging on the verge of obsolescence. What AI brings to the customer service domain is a game changer. There are three major issues within the industry, which are skilled labor, the ability to make decisions swiftly, and mass personalization at scale. And AI has the potential to solve them all. But there is a problem with mass AI dependence. AI is generic, and talking to it feels like talking to a computer. Mass dependence on AI requires it to be fed with truckloads of data. This data includes profiles of each and every customer, and also the complete set of a company's practices. Providing that much information to a computer system makes companies more vulnerable to security and exploitation concerns. Using AI instead of customer service personnel can kill the need of human experts, and we are not far away from the time when key concerns with AI adoption are mitigated. Yes, ChatGPT holds a promise, but we are still not at the exact point where we can hand over the whole customer support department to ChatGPT, which means that if someone is looking for a career in customer support, he or she must continue so, but with a different angle. This angle should acknowledge leveraging AI to be more rapid, robust, and personalized. This job, according to some experts, still has the potential to be there for the next 5 to 10 years in its current form, but most of them acknowledge that professionals should know alternate skills if they don't want to be bankrupt after this time frame. Number 9. Coding and programming. Coding makes up to this list of professions going obsolete because last year we saw a major shift in coding workflows. There are tools like 10Web that can build whole websites on their own. We saw Engineer GPT that could code to build softwares and applications. And we even saw ChatGPT helping students in their bachelor-level coding assignments. Now, all the generations made using these tools kind of feel unpolished, but it is important to acknowledge that 2023 was the first practical year for AI. These tools will improve to the point where they start to mitigate the need of coders. Almost everyone will get to make a personalized digital solution after paying a small platform fee. Wondering how the tech landscape will look after this change takes place? Well, for a short term, software developers will benefit from utilizing AI tools to offload some of the groundwork, such as setting up boilerplate code, writing software tests, or even generating portions of applications. But then, these tools will be able to provide complete code skeletons and the documentation required by another AI system to make a practical application out of it. Could this mean the end of junior developers? Number 8. Accounting and finance. Automation facilitated by AI is proficient in executing repetitive tasks such as data entry, reconciliation, and transaction processing. This could lead to a massive slump in the accounting and finance job market. A 2023 report revealed that only 23% of finance professionals feel adequately prepared for this evolving landscape. Not only that, Deloitte estimates that 40% of accounting tasks can be automated, with robotic process automation already replacing jobs in areas like invoice processing. PwC found that 72% of CFOs believe their finance teams lack the skills needed to thrive in the digital age. In the years to follow, we find practical accountants in shadowy realms with routine tasks delegated to AI. Seasoned accountants will be shifting their focus to strategic and advisory roles, delivering valuable insights and guidance to businesses. Number 7. AI in security. Security and surveillance is about to see a massive shift driven by the outspread of artificial intelligence. Studies estimate that AI could automate up to 30% of security and surveillance jobs in the coming years. This includes roles like security guards, alarm monitoring personnel, and video surveillance analysts. Another report from a Brookings institution published in 2019 estimated that AI could displace nearly 1 million surveillance workers in the US alone by 2030. The overall impact of AI on security jobs is likely to be a shift in the types of jobs available, rather than a net loss of jobs. The skills required will also evolve, with a greater emphasis on more data-related skills, technical expertise, and critical thinking. Number 6. AI and autonomous vehicles. AI has provided companies with the means to develop and test self-driving trucks, aiming for increased efficiency and safety. While full autonomy is still on the horizon, some level of automation is already being implemented, like lane keeping assistance and platooning. Similarly, Similarly, if we talk about chauffeurs, most new cars are trying to implement full self-driving to mitigate the need of having a human on the driving seat. As with truck driving and chauffeuring, the impact on taxi drivers will depend on the pace of adoption and regulations. Taxi jobs, especially in urban areas, are said to be affected in the long term. Long story short, don't learn driving to adopt it as a profession if long-term financial stability is a major goal. Rather, learn how to make fully self-driving cars, as major companies are looking for experts that can make self-driving robust, environmentally aware, and error-free. Number 5. AI in fast food. Google and its daughter venture DeepMind recently unveiled a robot that could cook. For a complete roundup on that robot, Mobile Aloha, click on the video link in the description. But right now, we're talking about the fast food industry as a whole. We see major fast food companies like McDonald's, KFC, and Domino's. They deal with a humongous level of operations on a daily basis, and they strive hard to achieve automation in whatever aspect possible. They have predefined workflow routines, and for achieving automation, all they need is someone to sit down and code their machinery. The fast food industry is also increasingly turning to artificial intelligence and robots to replace human workers due to labor shortages and rising labor costs. According to a report by the Canadian Centre for Policy Alternatives, more than 250,000 restaurant workers had to quit to find new careers by 2021. Not only that, AI advancements will allow computer kiosks and robots to replace most fast food jobs within 5 to 10 years, says an AI entrepreneur. The number of Cook's fast food job openings is expected to decline 8.7% by 2031. Number 4. AI in administrative work. AI is behind all the jobs that follow a repetitive pattern, unluckily or luckily, so all administrative jobs are automatable. These jobs include entry-level admin roles, data entry clerks, receptionists, compensation and benefits managers, and paralegals. The motivation to automate these jobs comes from the fact that human resources are getting more and more expensive, and maintaining human involvement in such roles is also expensive. These roles are best suited for a computer that can be fed all the data, and it can automatically come up with its processed form. The advantages of automation outnumber the disadvantages, which is why anyone looking for an administrative role should try to upskill his or her technical expertise to achieve long-term financial stability. Number 3. Travel agents in the age of AI. Rabbit, a new startup, revealed a new device called R1 that could plan your whole vacation with just your voice commands. We made a video on it, and the link to which is also present in the description. Now, the truth to the claim of planning a full-fledged vacation is yet to be determined. But if the said expertise is true, travel agents are about to find themselves in deep trouble unless they don't have some digital version of the services they provide. According to a report, there is an 81% chance of automation for travel agents, indicating an extremely high likelihood of being automated in the near future. Aside from Rabbit R1, Google Flights and other AI-powered trip planning services are already in the game, providing users with hassle-free experiences. Number 2. AI in logistics. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the logistics industry. AI in logistics, with a projected market size of $10 billion by 2027. AI's ability to process vast amounts of data, make intelligent decisions, and predict outcomes has made it a critical tool in the logistics sector. Reports suggest that AI is projected to increase productivity in logistics by more than 40% by 2035. A McKinsey report estimates AI can save the industry $1.2 trillion annually by 2025. AI-powered systems can optimize route planning, warehouse management, and inventory control, leading to more efficient and eco-friendly transportation of goods. But the rise of AI in logistics poses a threat of job displacement, with 38% of logistics and manufacturing firms expected to automate their operations in the near future. Number 1. Quality assurance. The last job that we will be discussing today is quality assurance. The integration of AI in quality assurance is projected to experience progressive growth, reaching $4 billion USD by 2026 from a modest market size of $426 million USD in 2019. AI is reshaping the QA landscape in many industries. Let us focus on gaming for this video. AI, by automating bug detection and reporting, optimizing gameplay and enhancing decision-making, test game mechanics, and assess player behavior. All these chores being handled by a non-human entity is both desirable and profitable for the business owners. If we talk about QA as a whole, the global AI in the manufacturing market is anticipated to achieve a value of $1 billion by 2026, with quality control being a key application. A US survey unveils that 44% of organizations have already automated their QA process through AI deployment, and 19% plan to implement AI AI in QA within the next 2 years. Subscribe to AI Symbiosis for more AI news and updates. Looking for tools that can 10x your creativity? Please click on the video popping up as we will tell you about 5 such tools that can take your working game to the next level. We'll see you there in a second. See ya!